Hi guys, I created this video to be a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to use the brand new Vedassénce by CRISAN collection of hair strengthening oils and skin health oils. These oils all have extremely wonderful aromas. This is an aromatherapy type of hair treatment. So I'm going to guide you step by step on how to apply the oils. I'm going to teach you about different WarmUp points on the body. And just know that you can use any one of the Vedassénce oils to do these massages. The oils are safe to apply on your head and on your skin. Also, because these are aromatherapy oils, test the scents prior to applying. You can apply a lot or a little depending on your sensitivities to smell. Now, in your Vedassénce by CRISAN package, as soon as you open it, you'll see these little charts that kind of help you. I'm going to be following these charts today so that you can walk on through with me. At first it might seem overwhelming, but these massages can take between 5 and 10 minutes and you'll memorize them pretty quickly. Now you can use any of the oils that you prefer. Today I'm going to be using the Charity and Love oil. Before I apply any oil, first thing that I need to do is make sure that my hair is thoroughly brushed and make sure there are no tangles in it. And now that my hair is fully brushed, I'm going to make a part right down the middle. And lastly, it's very important that you remove any makeup or dirt or debris from your skin. You want your skin to be completely clean and clear and free of any product. Now in this tutorial and also in your instruction sheet, you're going to see a lot of things called aroma and chakra. Now, Vedassénce is completely based off of a holistic type of medicine from India called Ayurvedic medicine. And so the way that we use Vedassénce is based off of aroma points, which are energy centers on the body, and chakra points, which are energy points that are located on different areas of the spine. So when I say chakra or aroma, just know that they are points of energy on the body, and they're believed to be points where when there is energy blockage, that leads to aging and disease. And when we free the energy flows, that opens up the body to heal itself. So that is the concept of Vedassénce. Think that when you try this and start feeling the benefits of the massages and start feeling peaceful and relaxed from the smell, your stress levels will be able to go down and you're going to see a lot of change in the happiness of your body and also in the health of your hair and skin, which is the most important reason why you guys are probably here. So hang tight and let's get started with a gentle warm-up. I want you to take your oil of choice, for me it's Charity and Love, and apply one dropper full, about this much, to the center of your palm. Now you're going to apply it to the uppermost portion of your crown. This is called your crown chakra. It's also known as the aroma point. You're going to take the oil with your palm, apply it with your palm, and do a gentle massage in a circular motion here. I forgot to say, when you're rubbing your head, make sure you're doing it in a clockwise motion. After that, let's just take our fingertips and apply it to that same point and just do gentle but firm taps. We'll do about 10 to 15 of them. This particular aroma point, it's known as the master of all of the aroma points on your body. When you're reading the tutorial sheet that I sent you, when you see crown chakra, that's where we're going to be pressing. Next, I want you to again apply oil to your palm, and this time we're going to go to our scalp slightly in front of where we just were at the aroma point. It's about 8 fingertips from your eyebrows, so you can measure like this. And this is the point that we're going to be focused on. We're going to have the oil in our palm, apply it here, massage in gentle circular motion, and then we're going to take both hands and gently press and massage all throughout the upper cranial region. Now if you need to apply more oil into the center of your palm, we're going to run up and down the center line, the back of our head, the side of our head here, and towards the front. And the way that we massage is you're going to press your thumbs kind of towards your temples and massage with your fingers as if you're washing your hair in the shower. In Ayurveda, they say that massaging these points on your scalp will help you with depression, with anxiety, with low self-worth. It will help you with your sleep. It will help with insomnia, and it feels really good. So go ahead and take your time and do that. Now, next what we're going to be doing is we're going to go from the back of our neck about 2 inches up. You can flip your hair upside down. You're going to apply oils and massage from about 2 inches above your neck. So let's go ahead and do that now. That felt really good. I hope you enjoyed that gentle warm-up. Now we're going to get started with our tutorial sheet, and you can follow along by watching the video or with your sheet in front of you. For each of these pressure points and the massages, we are going to be applying oil, and we're going to apply oil to our skin and again to our scalp, and massaging it through. In Western society, this can be compared a lot to what you would call a lymphatic drainage massage. So this is going to help you to drain your lymph nodes, to be very clean and raise your spirit. Now, step number 1 is having to do with our crown chakra. Again, if you remember, that's that uppermost part of the top of your scalp. So I'm going to be applying some oil directly to that spot here. And now in the tutorial sheet, it says you can take your middle fingers or you can use all of your fingers here, but what you want to do is just place your fingers on your crown chakra and you're going to apply gentle pressure. And if you choose to use all of your fingers, just apply gently. And step number 2, with your index fingers, just make sure there's enough oil there. You're going to press the sides of your temples and gently circulate in an upwards motion. And you're going to repeat this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Next, you're going to place your thumbs on your temples here. And using your index fingers, you're going to slowly stroke up, applying light pressure over your forehead. And you're going to do this 3 times. Now, using the pressure of your thumbs, come to the back side of your jaw. You're going to kind of like a little pinch, but you're going to go from the back of your jaw to your chin and repeat 3 times. Firm massage. Now you want to probably put your hair behind your back. You can use the tips of your index finger. You can use all of your 4 fingers, but we're going to run down the sides of our neck. On our shoulders, we're going to rub out to the end of our shoulders. I want you to press in an alternating pattern along the length of your shoulders. So you're going to run down your neck. And then once you get here, just press. Make sure you have enough oil that your skin is not dry. And just repeat this 3 times. Now you're going to find your mid-shoulder. You're going to apply pressure to your mid-shoulder. And do that 3 times. We're going to effleurage down our neck and around our shoulders and up our spine. And you'll see on the handout that I gave you, there are 6 pressure points along your spine. You're going to press and release as you go up. All 6 of those points, all the way to your occipital ridge, which is about 2 to 3 inches above the back of your hairline. So make sure you have plenty of oil on your hands, and then you're just going to firmly press. And you want to trace around your shoulders and all the way to the back of the neck. And press. On our next step, we're going to transition to circular movements on the sides of our neck, slightly back, and we're going to go up the length of our neck and stop behind our ears. This is a step that we're going to do 3 times. So starting from the bottom, Make sure you have plenty of oil and just give a nice circular massage all the way to behind your ears. This is one of my favorite steps. It feels so nice. Our next step might look complicated by looking at the instructions that I gave you, but they're very simple steps. It's just 2 parts and things that we've already done. So you're going to place your thumbs on the sides of your temple and gently apply pressure while stroking up 3 times. And next you can use your index fingers or your thumbs. And just like before, from the back of your jaw to your chin. Do that 3 times. Now you can use your middle and ring finger for this next step, unless it's more comfortable to use all 4 fingertips of each hand. We're going to make a figure 8 around our upper lip to our bottom lip and around the top of our chin to the bottom of our chin. We're going to repeat this 6 to 8 times. Our next movement, using all 4 fingers, we're going to do circular motion from our chin to our earlobes, and then we're going to move up to about our upper lip, and from our upper lip to our ears, and then from the sides of our nose to our ears, the whole time doing circular motion. We'll do this twice for each level, or 6 times total. So go ahead and take your nicely oiled hands, start at the center of your chin. Now moving to the sides of our nose, we're going to find the pressure points along our nose. There's about 3 pressure points here, the bottom, in the middle, at the top of the ridge of your nose. You're going to go up along the sides and press each one firmly but gently. 6 to 8 times. Now we're going to slide up to the center of our eyebrows and press 2 points here, 1 and 2, and we're going to alternate and press, alternate and press. Do this 6 to 8 times. Back to a more familiar massage. Take your thumbs to your temples, index fingers across your forehead, gently up. Apply gentle pressure and massage. Repeat 3 times. Back to your temples with your index fingers. Massage very gently and firmly in upwards circular motion. And do this 3 times. Now I want you to slide your fingers under your eyes and up your nose to the top of your brow. And you're going to take your thumbs and pinch your brows along towards the ends. When you get to the ends, you're going to hold with your index fingers and apply firm, gentle pressure. Apply that same pressure to the outer corners of your eye. Now you're going to rest your fingertips on your crown chakra. Using your thumb, go ahead and apply pressure to the marma points I have shown you on the chart. Here, here, and here. You're going to firmly press 3 times. Now you're going to transition with your thumbs to your temples, and using your index fingers, you're going to make these circular figure 8-like movements. Now you're going to do this 6 times. Each movement should have firm, gentle pressure. Now we're on to step 19, and there are 2 parts to this step. We're going to start from the top of your jaw. Using your index fingers, firmly press along the sides of your jawline towards your chin. And do this 3 times. And now we're going to go to the sides of our face, from our temples to our jawline. I like to use the knuckles of my thumb. You can also use your index fingers, whatever's most comfortable for you. I like to just kind of press here and run them down. Now we're going to turn our head to the side. We're going to run our 4 fingertips down the sides of our neck, around our shoulders, to the back of our neck, and up to our occipital ridge. So go ahead and do that 3 times. Now we're going to switch our head to the other side. We're going to do the same thing. Now we're on step 21. We only have 24 steps, so it's going to kind of wind down a little. We're going to go from the back of our jaw down to our chin. You can do it by pinching. You can do it by using firm pressure from your index fingers. I like to kind of pinch with my knuckle and thumbs, the knuckle of my index finger and my thumbs on the bottom of my jaw. I think that feels most relaxing at this point. So from the back of your jaw to your chin 3 times, and gently roll your fingers to the sides of your ears. You're going to use gentle pressure going inwards towards your nose and then out towards your ear. So kind of going upwards, in towards your nose, up towards your ear. And now just take your thumbs and go to your temples. And like before, you're going to take your index finger and go up 3 times. Bring your index fingers to your temples. You can use your index and middle fingers if you'd like. You're going to circular motion 3 times. Nice and firm. And then on the end of the 3rd, you're going to apply gentle pressure. Hold it for a few seconds. Now we're going to do little squiggles, swirls, circular movements from our temples above our eyebrows to the top of our forehead. All the way up to the scalp. This is very important for stimulating hair growth along your hairline for those who have lost hair from receding hairline, from pulling your hair too tight. This will stimulate those areas really well. And then we're going to end by applying firm and gentle pressure either with 1 finger or with all 5 fingers on each hand. Right at the crown chakra, we're going to apply gentle, firm pressure, press and release. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick introduction to Vedassénce. I hope that it relaxed you and helped you to feel better. Vedassénce can be used on your entire body, and there are more marma points than just in your face and on your head. So if you want to take this further, you can use this on the marma or pressure points on your feet, on your hands, all throughout your body, to relieve you, to relax you, and to help you with whatever it is that you might be struggling with. Try to make this a habit that you do as often as you can or as often as you need to. You can do this every morning before you bathe. Just remember your hair will be pretty oily, and so you can do this before going to sleep and just wash your hair in the morning. If you're using a gentle shampoo like a sulfate-free shampoo, it's okay to wash your hair every day. If you're using something very harsh, I would not wash every single day, maybe like once a week, or just switch to a more gentle, organic type of shampoo. You want to make sure that you are completely relaxed, so try to find a very welcoming and warm environment, one that is peaceful and quiet. It can be your bedroom, it can be a closet. You also might have fun getting your family members involved. My children love to do this with me, and it's very fun for them. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much. Have a great day.